Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a login screen in Figma. We'll start by exploring the fundamental elements that make up an effective login interface. You'll learn to prepare your design environment, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. We'll also cover key user interface components, guiding you to create an intuitive and engaging experience for your users. This foundational knowledge is crucial for any successful design project. Next, let's dive into crafting the interactive parts of your login screen. We'll focus on designing input fields that are both clear and easy for users to understand, ensuring a seamless data entry experience. Then, we'll move on to creating engaging call-to-action buttons, making sure they stand out and invite interaction. Remember, consistency in styling across all these elements is key for a professional look. Now, let's elevate your login screen with compelling visuals and strong branding. We'll explore how to integrate appropriate imagery or icons, adding a touch of personality and improving the user experience. You'll learn to apply your brand's unique color palette and typography, ensuring a cohesive and recognizable design. Maintaining alignment with your overall design system is paramount for a polished and professional outcome. Finally, we'll bring your login screen to life through prototyping and user flow. You'll learn to connect your design screens, simulating a realistic login experience for your users. We'll define clear and intuitive navigation paths, ensuring a smooth and logical journey from start to finish. Remember to thoroughly test your prototype. This crucial step helps identify and resolve any usability issues before development, leading to a much better final product.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.